In this episode, I'm gonna try making money with local e-com as a total beginner. As you all know, I'm just a blogger and I run AdSense arbitrage with some other stuff I do online. But this time around, I'm gonna try doing local e-com from scratch. I've not consumed any course, nobody's guiding me, but I've been monitoring a lot of things online. I've been seeing people's ads, I've been seeing a lot of things online, and I have a lot of knowledge up here, and I believe I can do something from there. So join me in this experiment. I just want to see if I'm going to be able to make money with this episode or not. So in case you're new here, drop a like, drop a sub, yeah? So watch to the end so that you see how much I make or lose, right? So see you all, let's do this. So to carry out this experiment, there are things I need to actually put in place. One of them is to find the products, then a Facebook page, and also a Facebook ad manager account, and then I need to actually monitor other competitors to know how they're actually doing their own. And then I need to build a site, that's my landing page. And then also I need to track my order, right? I need to be able to track my order to know when people actually ordered something, or maybe I can also allow them to order on WhatsApp. You know, a lot of other options I've actually thought of. And also I've also studied how they do their stuff. So I believe with all of these things put in place, I'm going to have a good result. So the truth is that I've actually done this experiment from beginning to the end, and my results are already in place. So I'm going to walk you guys through how I did everything and what actually happened. So starting with the product, yeah. So I followed a couple of ads. I monitored some people's ads, yeah, and I was able to, figure out something, yeah. So first of all, the first product I thought of is this perfume, right? Perfume. So perfume is actually something that people cherish a lot. So this perfume is actually a low quality perfume. Yeah, a very, very low quality perfume. I used to use it when I was in school, so I still have this pack. But then, in as much as it's a low quality perfume, it has a very, very nice scent. So I know some of you might know it. So the name is Danny Oil Perfume. So now it's very cheap. Yeah. So the aim is to get it for a cheaper price and then sell it for a higher price. Yeah. So it's around 30 to 5,000 or thereabout. Actually lower than that. So what I did was that I used ChatGPT to actually set up something beautiful. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to walk you guys through what I actually did on my screen. So, a quick one. So this is my screen. So starting with what I actually did with Claude AI. So I used Claude AI to, build something beautiful. So I saw this competitor's ads. So this is the landing page. He's actually taking it down. So, but what he does there is that he sells perfume, yeah? So I copied everything, the templates and all that. I gave it to Claude. Then I told Claude, okay, this is the page. So build something for me, yeah? So Claude was able to build something beautiful for me. And you all know that I'm a blogger and I have a lot of experience with how to build a site and all of that. So he built something beautiful for me. And so this is what it looked like. I don't know why it's not opening. Okay, now it has opened. So this is what it looked like, and it's just a rough work, yeah? So with this, I proceeded to get the domain and all of that. So this was what I finally got at the end. So I used ChatGPT to actually make it beautiful. So I took some raw pictures and I put them up so that you see what I actually took. So this is the picture. I just put it here and then use my phone to snap it. Then after snapping it, I gave it to ChatGPT to make it look like a premium product, right? A very premium product. So this is what ChatGPT was able to give us, yeah? So, it's actually looking premium. But then, this is actually a 24 ml. 24 ml, let me show you. 24 ml. But then ChatGPT gave us 100 ml, which is misleading. And I also experienced, I'll tell you guys about that later. So, the price I put here is 15,000. Then the second one, if you're getting two, you get some discount, yeah? So this is what ChatGPT gave us, 15,000. So for one bottle, you get it for 15,000, two bottles, 25,000, three bottles, 35,000. For a product of 3,000, yeah? So, this is good. Let me tell you one beautiful thing about my concept or the way I actually did this. So I built a Google Sheet and then I connected it to this landing page. So immediately you place an order, you're going to be taken to the Google Sheet, and then from that Google Sheet, you land to our WhatsApp. So, but it doesn't actually open the Google Sheet. So let me do this so that you see. So I'm going to cover the result for now. Yeah. So, but now this is how the Google Sheet actually looks like. So when you come here and place your order, so let's take, for example, your name is, Your name is Don, and the thing here, and then my number is just input a random number. So I'm just gonna put this number, a random number, around random addresses. So now let's say I order 3 bottles and then delivery to Abuja. Yeah, Abuja or outside Abuja. So free delivery for people in Abuja, so that's where I stay. And then outside Abuja, you pay for delivery. Outside Abuja, you pay 5,000 naira commitment fee so that you know that you're serious. Okay. So once you place your order, so it brings you here, order received, confirmed and all of that, your details here, and then once you click send order on WhatsApp, it's going to take you to your WhatsApp obviously, and then you send us a DM, right? You send me a message. So either ways, I get your order. So with this now, I've been able to capture your order here. So you can see now Dontin, the number, the address, Abuja, 5,000 commitment fee, blah, blah, and Danny. So it's just so beautiful. Very beautiful if you ask me. So with this, I was able to set up this. Now the second product I would actually choose is the skincare product. So the skincare product is, I thought of something that people feel insecure about, and skincare is actually part of it. Weight loss is also part of it, but then I started to focus on skincare because it has, you can use this before and after concept. You can as well use it on the weight loss journey too. So with that, we were also able to build something beautiful, if you ask me. So this is it. It's absolutely beautiful. I used Claude AI to build this with just one click and a few prompts. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. And the review, the customer review, the before, the after side by side. And this is the cream. So all I actually did, I don't have this in place. So I searched for it online on AliExpress or thereabout. I got it, and then anti-aging face cream. These are the reviews actually. And then one of it on AliExpress is going for 2,500. Now, I put it at 18,500 here. And the second one, I put it at 25,000. If you're getting 2, you get it for 25,000. And if you're getting 3, you get it for 35,000. I mean, I'm just being greedy, but then I want to just get results. So, I believe something that will be able to give you this kind of results should be expensive. I mean, expensive stores are just branded. Yeah? Okay. So now with this, you can see the page is looking absolutely beautiful. So the same concept, if you put your name here and everything and place your order, it's going to come to our Google Doc and then appear here. You can see, Tinkosi or Sapoda's my name, and everything appears here. So beautiful thing, beautiful concept. So with this, we proceeded to running our ads. So with all of this in place, I proceeded to run my ads, and the results are already available. Like I said, I ran this experiment 2 months ago, but then I decided to bring it up on this channel because then I wasn't actually posting, but now the results and everything is here. So I'm going to show you guys everything. So with that, of course, you all know that I've been doing arbitrage for a while, and you all know I know how to run Facebook ads very well and also TikTok ads. But for this experiment, I only used Facebook ads, yeah? So, let me quickly get the campaigns ready. So for the face cream, you can see face cream, I used everything here. So I spent 4,000 on it, and then I didn't track the per purchase here, but then also the daily perfume. So we got 10 purchases. 10 purchases for something that is selling for just 3,000 naira. We got 10 purchases here, and then each is going for, that is what Facebook actually tracked is 1,674 per purchase. And Facebook doesn't actually track this accurately. So Facebook will track 10 sales, but on your dashboard, you might be seeing like 10, 15, depending. Yeah? So someone can actually get 2 and Facebook will track only 1, something like that. Okay, so I will spend a total of 16,000 naira. So 16,000 naira. So for the 10 order, if all of them actually got the one of 15,000 naira, that's 150,000 naira. And we only spent 16,000 naira. So the purchasing cost for the 10 is around 30,000. So you do 30,000 plus the money you spent here, which is 16,000 naira, and then the delivery and the logistics and all that. You do the plus and minus, you're gonna get your profit. So we spent 16,000 and then 4,000. So I actually spent a couple of other money here and there for the ads. But then let me quickly show you guys the result. So coming back to here, we will have my Google sheet. So I've actually deleted some of them because I later on used the sheets for one or two things. So I'm gonna blur the names and the details of the people that actually ordered. So for the first one, we'll have 18,500 naira for the dark spot correcting screen. And then this one 18,000 one bottle, this one 25,000 two bottles, 25,000 two bottles, 25,000 two bottles, this one 25,000, then the Danny, and then 3 bottles of the face cleaning, whatever. Okay, and then this one 25,000, 25,000, and then these 2 orders that I just brought in. So you can see the Danny orders are not really here because I also created another Google Sheets to track them, and then later on I use it for something else. So it's only just 2 orders that is here. So I mean, this experiment for me is a success because if you do the plus and minus of everything I spent and all of that, you're going to see that it came out profitable. But then I'm going to also try this again because I did it 2 months ago. Then I dropped it. I didn't push. So all these orders, I didn't deliver any of them. Yeah, I just tried to know if it's a very good hustle for me to venture into or diversify into. So I just tried it. I didn't deliver. So all of them, I didn't message them. I didn't follow. Some of them also messaged me on WhatsApp. I didn't reach out to them. I didn't reply. So because I didn't intend to actually do this. Okay. So like I said, the purpose of doing this video is to know if it's going to work or if it actually works. And as you guys can see, it actually works. So what you need to actually get this started is 1, your Claude AI. Then 2, you choose a product. Then Facebook, how to run ads on Facebook. And also, I'm going to be putting out a video on how to run ads on Facebook maybe much later. All right. And then with your Claude AI can actually guide you on how to do all of this. Then you look for a competitor to copy or steal his idea or whatever. And with that, you will be able to do exactly what I did and you get almost the same result, if not more, if not a better result. Because I believe there are still a lot of rooms for improvement. I mean, this is my first time and I'm being profitable, allegedly. I know that some of the products, maybe when they deliver, the people might decide to not pay or take it or whatever. But then I believe that if I learn more and try more, it's going to be better. So with that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. So if you want me to try any other thing or any experiment, drop it down in the comment section. And I'm also going to be dropping more videos like this. Maybe I'm going to try another product or maybe push the skincare product more and anything. I just want to try differently, not just the AdSense and whatever I've been talking about on this channel. So with that being said, I want to see you guys in the next video. Stay safe and peace out.